Hi guys, Eric here from Mendoza. Today we're just gonna do a very quick unboxing because I'm just really excited for my new watch. It's an Ochs and Junior Settimana Black with Arabic numerals in 36mm. I'll probably do a proper review on this one, but I'm just really excited to share this one because for me, it's a milestone watch. Means a lot to me, so yeah, let's just get into it. So Ochs and Junior is pretty much one of those, I wouldn't call it hidden watch brand, but they're not really advertising a lot, so if it's one of those cases of if you know, you know, and pretty much just getting their name out from word of mouth. I can't actually remember when I first discovered them, but it was probably like 2-3 years ago. And that time I wasn't actually sure. I was like, what's this brand? Like, you know, very interesting dials. And that time they're very known to be a very minimalist brand. So very little packaging, very little branding on their watch and on their boxes, and I believe this is no different. So you could see here that, you know, it's just this box. It actually arrived with this covered in bubble wrap inside a FedEx box. Like, there's almost like, it's very simple. So let's just quickly open it. So you can already see here how it actually live up to its name of ultimate minimalism. So if you think Nomos is minimalist, this is probably even more minimalist than them. So I think this leather pouch is handmade, and there you go, there is a brand there. So I'm gonna go through the actual review when I get the chance to play with it, but as of the moment, yep, you get a very nice leather pouch. I'll just put that one on the side. They even put, this is something unusual, they even have a Burgeon spring bar tool. This is unusual, probably because, you know, they want you to change the strap and they don't compromise. They give you a very nice spring bar tool for this one. So this is what you get. A spring bar tool, a box, and the watch. So I'll just put this box aside and let's get into this one. Okay, and very nice. No, what they call that one, buttons. It's actually just like one of those, like, I don't know what it's called, like a push, like a pinhole type. And there you go. I'll see what. Oh, it's actually quite a very nice pouch. So there you go. This is the Ochs and Junior Settimana. So the Settimana range, as far as I know, is one of their cost-effective range. Given if you look at their pricing, this is one of their definitely the least expensive option. And what you could see here is it actually only has a day indicator rather than a date indicator. Well, I really don't like dates, but made a compromise of this one. It doesn't look like a date. It's actually, well, yeah, it is because it's not. And that actually looks really good. Like, you get a dot, and it's pretty much monochrome. Like, you know how, like, I like my 8384 because it was black and white, and this is almost no different. The only reason why I chose a gray strap, and they allowed me to do so, is just to add a little bit of contrast and to add a little bit of shade. But yeah, I'll do a proper review. But one of the things is this is also grade 5 titanium, 36mm, and a Cordura strap. So yes, quite excited to wear this one. Also a Sellita SW200 movement, so just for those who are interested in those kind of things. So yeah, this is my Ochs and Junior Settimana. So like, subscribe, wait for my proper review. I still have a couple more straps to review, so it might take a while before I'll do a proper analysis of this one. But, you know, like, subscribe so you can get a notification, and I'll see you on my next video.